What's up guys and welcome back to InfoTuber. So today maybe we're not going to be discussing about a very interesting topic, but today I'm here to explain and warn you about something very devastating. So guys, before we start the video, let me not ask this, but I hope you guys have subscribed to the channel and share it to your friends. Come on guys, I hope you can do this. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, today we're going to be discussing about the cyclone Nivar. Now many of you wouldn't know that, but actually there's a cyclone arising near Tamil Nadu, which is the southern part of India. And guys, today's interesting and amazing topic that I'm going to explain what cyclone Nivar is and where is it going to hit and what are the possibilities. First of all, the city Chennai is in a lot of danger. The city is likely to be experience heavy to very heavy rain as cyclone Nivar is likely to make landfall between Mamallapuram and Karaikal on Wednesday noon or afternoon. Rainfall of 6 cm to 10 cm is expected. Monday will be generally cloudy with little drizzle as the weather system is too far away and it will start raining on Tuesday as the cyclone edges closer to the coast. Villupuram, Kadalur, Puducherry and Chennai are expected to have heavy rain when it starts to make landfall on Wednesday. An IMD bulletin said a well-marked low pressure in the Bay of Bengal closer to Tamil Nadu coast will intensify into a depression in the next 12 hours and will develop into a cyclonic storm in the subsequent 24 hours. It is moving at 18 km per hour speed towards the coast. S. Balachandran, the Deputy Director General of Regional Meteorological Center, Chennai, said rain will start in coastal districts on Monday and will intensify step by step. On Tuesday and Wednesday, some areas of the coast will receive heavy rain and very heavy rain. Fishermen should not venture into the sea till November 25. He also said that there are chances of heavy rain to start in the city and its suburb on Tuesday. The well-marked low pressure is located 760 km away from Chennai and 700 km from Karaikal. It will skirt the coast of Sri Lanka and move northwest to hit the Tamil Nadu coast. First of all guys, this video might be a bit long. If you feel bad then I'm sorry about it. But guys, I have to explain about cyclone Nivar in this video. A Met official said the system is moving at a good speed and has been named as cyclone Nivar by Iran. Private weather bloggers hint that conditions such as wind shear, warm sea surface, and temperature and absence of dry air are in favor of the cyclone to intensify. However, the speed at which it will move and also develop can be a drawback, making it less intense. The low pressure is fast turning into a depression in 12 hours instead of 24 hours forecast earlier. This is a 4.6-inch thunderstorm in the sea where the low pressure is concentrated, but probably because of its presence, it was a hot and rainless Sunday across the state. Now listen carefully to this one. Now first of all, let me explain what MJO is. Now what is MJO and why do we care about this in this instance? Now look, here we introduce about another important player on the tropical stage, the Madden-Julian Oscillation or MJO. While the MJO is a lesser known phenomena, it can have dramatic impacts in the mid-latitudes. Several times a year, the MJO is a strong contributor to various extreme events in the United States, including Arctic air outbreaks during the winter months across the central and eastern portions of the United States. So what is MJO? Imagine Enzo as a person riding a stationary exercise bike in the middle of a stage all day long. Okay? So his unchanging location is associated with the persistent changes in tropical rainfall. You get that, right? And winds that we have previously described as being linked to Enzo. Now imagine another bike rider entering the stage on the left and pedaling slowly across the stage, passing the stationary bike which is Enzo. Okay? So, and then exiting the stage at the right. The bike rider we will call the MJO and she may cross the stage from left to right several times during the show. Now you understand what MJO is, right? So unlike Enso, which is stationary and doesn't move, the MJO is an eastward moving disturbance of clouds, rainfall, winds and pressure that traverses the planet in tropics and return to its initial starting point. So why are we relating MJO in this instance? Now listen, Cyclone Nivar is actually called the MJO's first baby. Yes, you heard it right. With MJO in our basin, it is inevitable to avoid low pressure, depressions, cyclone in our seas. Presently, the Kingmaker MJO is in very favorable phase in our basin and it is very conductive for development of cyclone. The first system is fully homegrown baby of Bay of Bengal thanks to MJO. What if cyclone Nivar is a weak cyclone? Then where will it land? What will be its speeds? Let's discuss some of them. So the landfall if Nivar is a weak cyclone is predicted to be Vedaranayam to Karaikal and the dates are 24 to 25th November. Likely wind speeds are 70 kilometers per hour. Probability of delta landfall is 20% and extreme rainfall will be in Tiruvarur, Nagai, Tanjavur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Karaikal. Very heavy rainfall will be in Chennai, Pondi, Tiruvallur, etc. Conclusion is that widespread heavy rains from delta to Chennai and extreme rains to delta. Now what if cyclone Nivar is a very strong cyclone? Then what are the possibilities? Then the possible landfall is from Karikal to Chennai and the dates are 24 to 25th November. The likely wind speed is 120 to 140 kilometers per hour and the extreme rainfall areas are Kadalur, Pondi, Chennai, Villupuram, etc. And very heavy rainfall are Nagai, Karaikal, Ariyalur, etc. Conclusion is that massive rains to Kadalur, Pondi, Villupuram belt and destructive winds of over 100 km per hour KTC, Chennai will get very heavy rains. So guys, this video was to aware you guys of the cyclone Nivar. Now guys, make this video the most viewed video by sharing it to all your friends and making them aware of the cyclone and making them alert. Now guys, that's all for today's video and I'll meet you in the next video. And before going guys, if you have not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button below and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye guys.